we're not the only ones being affected by severe weather. So are many states across the country this weekend. In southeast Texas, 4 people are dead after thunderstorms caused heavy flooding. Police say all 4 people drowned in the rushing waters and 3 died while driving. Forecasters say that the Washington County area received nearly 22 inches of rain in just a few hours. Right now, 58 county roads are closed due to severe damage from those waters. Officials say, though, that dozens of residents, they still remain isolated and crews have to use boats to rescue them. They expect the heavy rain to continue into tomorrow.